Hi everyone, it's Andy Zhang here.
Ripple Wu, we are from Mogra Box Hill. Welcome the best part of Templestowe, Zone 4 Serpell Primary School and Doncaster East Secondary School.
This is number 14 Trevinden Close. This is one you don't want to miss. Downstairs you have a spacious rumpus equipped with a bar. Alternatively, for the multi-generational family, you do have the option of a second master equipped with your own full ensuite.
Look at this fully landscaped backyard with undercover alfresco as well as a gas and solar heated pool, perfect for entertaining at any season.
Well, there you have it folks. Hope you guys have enjoyed the tour as much as we have.
3-generation built, live and loved home. First time available. Looking forward to see you. 欢迎光临.
See you at the next inspection.